Hello everyone, welcome back to Python Programming Hands-On. Now I am going to discuss Python Debugger. It is also called as PDB. PDB is a one module in Python. Users are we can stop the execution of the program wherever you want. Not only just stop, we can stop and verify, and step-by-step execution we can do. So we can stop and verify, and step-by-step verification we can do. Now, how to use the PDB? First, import this module. Then we can use the one method called set underscore trace, or we can use a method called breakpoint. Yeah, any of these two methods can be used to stop the program, and we can verify step by step. So how to use? Here in the console, we can see this PDB wherever you use these functions, and if you give letter n, then it gives a next line execution. If use the letter c, it's continuous execution till end. So like that we can execute the program, so we can debug step by step. Yeah, we can understand much more using example. So example, import PDB x is equal to 1, print line 1, x is equal to x plus 1, print line 2, x is equal to x plus 1, print line 3, and like that you can copy the programs. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, this is a program. Now inside this method set underscore trace, let's say after this line, this is for breakpoint, we can say. Right, so I think we can use pdb dot set trace, I think. Okay, now we'll try to execute this program. Okay, just copy this program. Just save the program. pdb11.py. Yeah, if you try to execute the program, yeah, this is the line 1, line 2. After that, set trace is there. If you press n, then enter, next line is executed. If you press c, it executes the remaining lines. Like that we can execute the program, we can debug the program. Yeah, like this we can debug the program step by step. So if you use breakpoint in this place also, it will work. Yeah, if you use breakpoint before the method, so just give a comment. Yeah, yeah, this is also working same. If you press N and if you press C, execute the remaining lines. Like that, we can execute, we can debug the program. So we can use any of the method. So we can use any of these two methods. So hope you understand how we can do the debug in the Python. Thank you.